Unreal Engine 5.7 is finally here, and it's more than just a version number. From games to film, architecture to virtual production, this update gives you new tools to build bigger, richer and more realistic worlds, faster than ever. But which features actually matter for your projects? Stick around, because by the end you'll know what to explore first and what can wait. The Procedural Content Generation, or PCG Framework, is now production ready. That means you can quickly populate environments, introduce natural variety and make large-scale worlds that feel alive, all without writing code. The new PCG editor mode offers a library of tools. You can draw splines, paint points, create volumes and link everything to a PCG graph. GPU compute is now much faster and you can set dynamic GPU parameters. The Procedural Vegetation Editor, or PVE, lets you create and customize high-quality vegetation directly in Unreal Engine, including Nanite-compatible meshes. With Quixel megaplants, you can drop in trees, shrubs and grass at massive scale. For your project, this means less manual placement, faster iteration and the ability to create more complex, visually rich worlds in less time. 5.7 introduced Nanite Foliage, which renders millions of overlapping leaves, needles or branches at stable frame rates without LOD pop-ins. It also handles dynamic behaviors like wind. The Substrate material system is production ready, letting you author layered, physically accurate materials. Think realistic car paint, skin, cloth or oiled leather, all scalable from high-end PCs down to mobile. Megalights moves to beta, allowing many more dynamic lights in your scene, with realistic soft shadows, better performance and improved out-of-the-box lighting. This means you can push your visuals further, build more complex worlds and maintain performance, whether you are making a game, film set or architectural visualization. Animation workflows are more intuitive. The iKey retargeter now improves foot contact, squash and stretch, and spatial retargeting. The skeletal editor adds sculpting workflows for blend shapes and weight painting, perfect for rigs with dozens of blend shapes. Metahuman integrations expand to Linux and Mac OS. You can batch process assets with Python or Blueprint, conform meshes across poses, and capture animation in real time via Live Link Face on iOS or Android. Hairstyling tools also improve with joint-based deformation and guide-driven workflows. For character-driven projects, these updates save time, give you more control, and let you iterate faster without leaving Unreal. Virtual production gets stronger with new dynamic constraint components for props, letting objects attach naturally to hands or move dynamically in scenes. The Live Link broadcast component streams animation, camera, and transforms across multiple editors in real time. Composure improvements mean better real-time compositing, handling live video or image media plates at 24 FPS with shadows and reflections integrated seamlessly. And the new AI assistant gives you instant guidance inside the editor. Hover over an interface element, press F1 and get help, tutorials or even code suggestions, all without leaving Unreal. Unreal Engine 5.7 is just a small update. It gives you new tools for open world creation, rendering, animation, virtual production and AI guidance, all designed to save you time and expand creative possibilities. It's an upgrade for creators who want to work smarter, not just harder. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on Unreal Engine news and tips. See you in some other video.